Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show us how to make yummy white soup, which is called nsala soup. And this is the main ingredients: catfish, it has been washed and cleaned properly; stockfish, dry fish, goat meat, but this is actually ram, crayfish, Uziza leaf, Utazi leaf, Uziza seed, Scotch bonnet, Cameroon pepper, fresh Cameroon pepper. This is the yam, one of the most needed ingredients in this soup. I have cooked it, so what is remaining here is just to blend it. And here is Cameroon pepper. So let's get started. And our knorr is here. The meat has been boiling for like 20 minutes now, so it's time to add stockfish and dry fish. Then allow it to cook, and I will add some water. So I just added fish. We are almost coming to the end of the whole thing. As you can see, the reason why there is not much water like that is because I'm going to allow the meat, the fish, to cook. So after the fish has been cooked with the pepper, with the remaining pepper, Cameroon pepper, and Uziza seed, I'm going to add it on top of the fish and steam it. After I steam it, that is when I will add the blended cocoyam. Oh no, I'm sorry, blended yam, not cocoyam. I have added the blended cocoyam, as you can see. That's why the water is much now. You have to be careful, if not the fish will break. We are coming to an end. Okay. Do you know why Utazi is smaller than Uziza leaf? Because Utazi is very bitter in taste. So we are just adding it to break down the sweetness of nsala. Then this is another one that will boost the flavor. Come on guys, it's time to add it. We are coming to an end of this video. Okay, I added it first, the bitter one, which is Utazi, followed by this. I wish you guys are here. I wish you were here to taste this delicious soup. People that knows me know that I'm #1 in this. Actually, you can't beat me with this soup. You can't actually beat me with this soup. This is the end of our morning. Do you guys know that we are done? This is it. This is it. the best soup. The best soup to prepare for your hobby. So let me know what you think about this soup, and try and do it and let me know in a comment section. This is so yummy. Bye, and see you guys in another exciting video. Bye bye.